Hey yo, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to survive a hurricane. One, don't go by any glass doors or windows. Be sure to put the trucks through your head if they break. Because winds are high and they could break it from the tornadoes. Next, they're not very electronics because it can go, they will, and the hurricanes, lightning will go through those wires and break the computer. Next, go to a safe spot, that has no glass doors and that or windows, because they can break it.
I know you're not. I'm going. Where are you taking it?
Yes. When you're in your safe spot, put plywood over the windows. Put plywood over the windows, or just shut your windows with the window shutter. Okay. Next, while you're in your house,
Close it down, too.
Yeah,
don't record.
While the storm is there, you can't just sit on the table and draw. That doesn't contain wires. Next, when the storm is over, let the workers do their work because they could, and pay for down power lines too. And that's how you survive a hurricane. See you soon.